Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be speaking about another great innovation, and it's a very effective innovation in the history, and it has been done by Emotiv. For those who don't know about Emotiv is a bioinformatics company established in 2011. And their mission is to empower individuals to understand their own brain and accelerate brain research globally. I am very fortunate that they allowed me to post their life-changing product in my channel. So let's not waste time and find out more about the product from the CEO, Tan Lee.
The Emotiv Insight is a 5-channel portable wearable device that allows you to capture and understand what's going on in your brain in real time. With the Emotiv Insight, you can optimize your cognitive performance, you can measure and monitor your own or your family's mental health and fitness, and you can develop amazing new applications with the technology. We're pioneers in this field. We've listened to our user base and we've redesigned the product from the ground up. The Emotiv Epoch, our first generation device, has been adopted and used in more than 100 countries worldwide across a broad spectrum of different application areas. Everything from being able to allow a child to create a 3D monster just with the fantasy of his or her mind, or allow people to create music just with the power of their thought, or to allow a patient to be rehabilitated by being able to control an electric wheelchair, or allow them to experience the ability to type or to communicate again. There have been so many amazing application areas and uses. For anyone who loves the Epoch, you'll love this product even more, because we feel like we've taken not just one generational leap, but we've taken many generational leaps. We've looked at the sensor technology, we've looked at the electronics design, we've looked at the wireless communication protocol, we've looked at the overall mechanical design, we've looked at the form factor. How do we make it more affordable? How do we make it much more skeletal, much lighter weight, much easier to wear? We're really excited to offer an API and SDK to developers and researchers wanting access to the raw EEG data or to the detection algorithms to make it possible for anyone to take this innovation and create amazing new applications with the technology. Ultimately, what we want to do is to empower individuals to understand their own brain and to provide a platform for open innovation to accelerate brain research on a scale and pace that was previously unimaginable. I've been believing in this for almost the last decade, and we've learned so much from our community. I mean, they're a very vocal community. They care passionately and deeply about what we've created. They've given us so much valuable insights and feedback around what works, what doesn't work. And we've taken all of that into account, and we've really tried to reassess our assumptions and push that much harder, push it that much further to try and create something that's completely revolutionary yet again.